everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to naturally lighten your lips, and everything in this video is going to be super affordable and relatively accessible, so everybody can be able to do this. The reason I'm making this video is because environmental factors can play a part in your lips turning black or getting darker. So I'm going to show you guys how to make them lighter again. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the end. So for me, I always like to set up a workstation because it just keeps me more organized, and you can just have everything laid out in front of you so that you can see it. So what you're gonna need for this little concoction is some sugar, baking soda, a lemon, and you need a spoon and a little container to mix everything up. So it doesn't really matter what brand you use, but you want to make sure that you get like a medium or a fine grind sugar, because that can really damage your lips, because if it's too coarse, then it could just cause your lips to peel and chap, and that's not pretty. We don't want that. The acidity from the lemon mixed with the baking soda is gonna act like a bleaching agent, which is gonna lighten your lips, and the sugar that I'm gonna implement in the little concoction is gonna exfoliate your lips, removing the dead skin, so it's gonna make them soft while lightening them at the same time. You want to have your lemon cut in half. You want to put that to the side. So now I'm gonna take my sugar. I'm gonna be using 2 spoonfuls, and I'm just gonna place that in here. Then I'm gonna be taking my baking soda, and I'm gonna do the same thing. 1. You don't need as much baking soda. 2. So this part right now could get a little messy, so you could put down like a napkin or something. But you're gonna take your lemon and you're just gonna squeeze it into your little concoction. And it's gonna fuzz up because of the baking soda. The acidity in the lemon mixing with the baking soda is gonna make it like a little science experiment. Thumbnail. So now, look, it's buzzing over. You just want to mix it up so everything is thoroughly mixed up. So you just want to keep testing it out until it gets to the consistency that you want it to be. So you want it to be thick. Don't mind the seeds, but you want it to be thick so it's not running everywhere. Okay, for the next part, obviously you want to do it in your bathroom, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just do it right here. All right, so for my demonstration, first I'm gonna wet my lips with some water, and I have my water right here. Wet my lips, just pat it in. If you hear my cat, don't mind her. She's in heat right now, so she's just being mad annoying. And I'm just gonna scrub it. Are you sure you don't swallow it or nothing? So now I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, these are my lips after I rinsed it off. I'm on my hair, y'all. I just had it pent up. I'm just gonna go in with some Vaseline because this could really dry your lips out. You could use like Blistex or something, but I just feel like Vaseline has less chemicals, less ingredients. So I'm just gonna use Vaseline. This is what we're working with. You want to do this in the morning and when you go to sleep, twice a day, for however long you need until you start seeing results. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.